Hello and welcome to the proRIS Safety Bits. Today with the topic of rules. My name is Christopher Sparlek and I support you on achieving your HSE vision. As much as rules are needed to work effectively in a society and an organization, they can become a real problem. More than one customer audit showed me that rules are written down on paper but not followed. The sentence, "We have a process defined but it's not followed by the employees," is almost a standard in many companies. When a rule is broken, the first reaction is often punishment. Others address another perceived root cause, training, also with little effect. I see something more fundamental in it. Here are three things I put a focus on when talking about rules. First, are they understandable and understood? This means, on the one side, are they written or communicated in a language the user understands? Keep here also in mind that not everybody is able to read properly. The numbers are usually much higher than you think. And apart from the words used, does the rule make sense to the user? A rule where I don't understand the deeper meaning behind will not be anchored in my brain and by that perceived senseless. So why should I bother following it? Number two, is the rule followable? Can I follow the rule? And this includes, do I have the means to do what is required? This covers authority, knowledge and resources. I cannot wear PPE if it is not provided by the supervisor or the company. And foremost, what is about conflicting rules? There are often hundreds of rules, which makes it almost impossible to follow them. The sheer amount lets me forget half of them or more. And the number of rules creates also conflicts, especially in safety topics. If output and speed are valued by KPIs but not safe behavior, how does this go in line with sufficient checking and, in doubt, stopping of work? Number three, are rules enforced? Both positively and correctively. And yes, I speak of positive feedback for following rules. What sense make a rule if following doesn't create a benefit or not following doesn't have negative consequences? Rules are set up usually to do something which is not the natural tendency, and by that it requires more energy to follow the rule than not to do it. So if there are no benefits or consequences, I will naturally stop following the rule. In this setting, there is a very important role for the supervisor to play. He has to enforce the rule by auditing and giving positive and corrective feedback. And so let's summarize. Three crucial elements for rules. First, they have to be understandable and understood. Second, they need to be followable. And third, they need to be enforced. Thanks for your interest. Let me hear your thoughts and comments. Stay safe.